Right, today we're looking at why giving a goat is a form of sustainable aid. So firstly, before we dive into that, let's just quickly talk about what we mean by the word sustainable. So something that's sustainable has to be good for local people, the local economy, good for the environment, and ideally all of these things in the long term as well as the short term. Okay, so why is a goat a form of sustainable aid? Here we go. So firstly, it's a food source. So a goat of course can provide milk and meat. Number two, the goat's manure is a good source of fertilizer, and that's good because that then helps to grow crops, and crops of course can be sold to make an income. Number three, we also have milk being provided by the goat, and very similar to this one here, that milk can be sold and that also provides people with a steady income. And number four, goats can be bred quite easily. Once again, that means the goat can be sold and that also generates an income for people. And lastly, it provides a sense of community spirit because the whole community, the village, the rural village, will have something to take care of and look after for the greater good. So, in summary, sustainability has to be good for people, the economy, the environment, ideally in the long term. Now, why is a goat a form of sustainable aid? Food source, provides milk and meat. Number two, its manure is a good fertiliser to put onto crops. That helps crops to grow. Number three, it constantly provides milk. Once again, that can be sold at market. That generates an income. Goats can be bred quite easily, which means you've got more goats and they can be then sold, generates an income, and also it generates a community spirit. So there you are.